Okay, welcome back to the channel. Boy, sometimes I get really excited. It's like, oh my gosh. I know it's coming. It's just coming. It's just when it's like, it seems like we're on the right track, of course, um, last night I woke up about 4 o'clock in the morning, and then I'm looking at the cryptocurrency and all that. I noticed that it had gone up to 122,000 or so on Bitcoin. So, and the other thing that I noticed was Ethereum went up quite a bit yesterday. It was up in the something like 20% or something like that. Let's check out the markets real quick and see what's going on. Bitcoin 120,000 right now, but it peaked at about 122. That was about 4 o'clock in the morning, yeah. And I think the highest was, I think it evened out with, I think it was July, someplace in July, mid-July or so, that it reached 122 and something else. I don't know if it beat it out today. I don't know. There's no 52-week high or anything on crypto market. And I went in the internet to search, and it's kind of like they don't know either. Does anybody know? Leave me a message in the comments section. I try to find the 52-week high and low, but I can't. Or all-time highs. All-time highs. Here's the all-time chart. By the way, let's look at since we're looking at this, let me get myself out of there real quick so you can see the chart. Okay. Remember that I was talking previously about these little mountains and how it's growing. We have a mountain here that first developed. Then we had another one, and then we had a big one here. This was 2000, what was this, 2021, 2022. Then we had the crypto winter, and then it started going up, up. We beat out this mountain here, and look at this huge thing that it's the same thing like this compared to this. This is huge, and this is probably going to be even huger, if that's a word. Huger or ginormous, huge. Imagine the altcoins, what they're gonna do when they start going. This is gonna be fantastic. I mean, gee whiz, I never expect. I was expecting something like this, perhaps another time, another crypto cycle, but this is like, it's almost like double in height, and girth is probably almost like, I don't know, 3 times more. So you got this whole area here that's just huge. So whoever is holding, especially like Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin and Grayscale products, they're gonna. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, those trusts can really go up huge amounts like never before. I wonder if it's illegal. Oh gosh. The only problem is that, eventually you're going to have to pay taxes, although I don't have to. I don't have to because I know how to hide my money really well. And if I have to pay taxes, I would not have to worry about it because it's going to come back to me. I got rubber bands on money, guys. I got I got rubber bands on my money now. I learned how to put a rubber band on cash so it comes back to you. You want to know what it is? I'm not going to tell you anymore. I already did. I already have a million times, and I'm not talking about it anymore. We're doing pretty good. Ethereum was up like, I don't know, something like 22% or so earlier. It's doing good for Ethereum. All the altcoins are doing pretty good. I'm looking at the 7-day chart, basically. Everything's doing more than Bitcoin. Again, we're kind of like Chainlink 30%, Stellar 8%. Although Bitcoin is only up 4%. Okay, it went down to 7%. Bitcoin Cash is kind of just holding off right now. But it's gone up to $586. These percentages are kind of deceitful because we're following Bitcoin. So they're not really, but they're good enough. Okay, Litecoin has gone down a little bit today, but it's still holding on its holding on against Bitcoin. Bitcoin 4.78% and Litecoin is 4.13%. So it's gone down less than Bitcoin. Litecoin is a little lower than Bitcoin right now. That's all right. It'll catch up. Let's look at our Grayscale stuff. What's going on today? It's mixed. It appears to be mixed. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning, so live peer is still going up again on the Grayscale side. I noticed gold was been going up pretty just about every day for the last month or so, but it's down today. Altcoin season chart. It's not really. I don't really believe in this anymore, but it's a good indicator. Let's look at our my account. Where am I? What's going on here? Bitcoin Cash 7 cents up. What's nice is only 7 cents will bring it up $150. Once it starts going up and up and up, and even if it does, even if it breaks what Ethan and those guys that were that he follows on the internet, and I think he was talking about something like 6,000 times or 6,000%, probably even more than that. If Bitcoin Cash, once the altcoins start rising, and once Bitcoin Cash one takes its dominance as a key cryptocurrency. Imagine 20 years from now. I wonder what's going to happen. Well, most of us won't be here, but just imagine. But nothing else really going on here. Everything's kind of like down and a little bit sideways, and nothing great to talk about. I thought we're gonna have a really good day today, but who knows? Tomorrow's Tuesday. Usually it's slow and the markets don't follow what you think it's gonna do. They're gonna do. So we might have a big day tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe Bitcoin starts going right. Ends up the week in 125. It certainly is going towards it to 125, and I did say 150 was. Then again, it's like a lot of people have talked about $1 million Bitcoin, which is probably not. You wouldn't think so, but probability is there, especially if we go cryptocurrency instead of taking the route of fiat currency. And Stellar Lumens is privacy coin. It has a great chance to. I think a lot of people are going to go for the privacy coins, and I wish Bitcoin Cash was a privacy coin, but it's okay. It'll be there, probably number 2 someday. And then we'll have GXLM or XLM Stellar Lumens, Monero, Dash, some of those other coins that are privacy type coins. Okay, guys, that's all I have for today. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.